Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we are going to be checking out some more very trendy hairstyle ideas. So here we see this blunt bob, and then the next hairstyle is going to feature some gorgeous burgundy colored money piece highlights. So she just has one side of her hair dyed that strong pop of color, and that is a great way to try the trend out. And then here we see someone else adding some layers into their hair. If you guys follow this channel, you already know layers are one of the biggest trends that we are going to be seeing in 2023. Absolutely gorgeous. She did kind of more of like the bottleneck style bangs with this one. And if you guys are feeling inspired by any of the hairstyles within today's video, don't forget to give it a like, and of course hit that subscribe button so that you never miss a hair trend. So here we have someone getting another very popular hair trend this season, and that is of course copper colored hair. The stylist just kind of trimming up her hair. She does have beautiful natural wavy curly hair, and that color looks amazing on her complexion. So moving on to the next hairstyle, she's going to be getting a bob haircut. Now the bob continues to grow in popularity. So if you are still thinking of cutting your hair into a bob, this is still a very popular choice to be making. Love the side swept bangs that she has with that. Gorgeous. So I believe the stylist is going to be adding in some layers for this next hairstyle. One of the reasons why I think layered hair is going to be trending so heavily is that for a lot of us, we were home during the pandemic, and now that we're out and about, we're wanting to shake up that hair that is kind of grown out, and so a lot of us are wanting to add some layers to the hair. We want to keep the length, but we want to add some layers to just kind of spice things up and make things look a little bit, wow, look at this hair. So this is a very unique hairstyle. She has like rainbow color going there at the top, and then of course we have the split dye. So I apologize for getting a little bit distracted at the end there, but I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoy these particular hairstyles, you'll love seeing these as well, and I will see you in the next one.